Okay, today's job, we're doing the breather kit on my LDV. So first thing I've done is got the tools I need to do the job. That's all the bits. All the spanners I need, pair of pliers, well, cutters, cut it. This is the first one I've taken out of the rear diff. So that'll be replaced with this one's. Throw that in and then run everything up. So on the diff, I've removed this one. New one will go in there. I'll run the pipes up top, run them all the way right up into the engine bay, up the front. I won't do a video of the whole thing, I'll just show you where they are, what I'm doing. I'm hoping to do the fuel tank as well. It's got a breather on it somewhere. Lovely. Okay, just try to find the, well, obviously there's one on the rear diff, which is this one here, for the breather pipe. The fuel tank is this one here, which I'll connect on to that, I think. I might have to get a different connection because up at top, it's a different thing altogether. So I think I'll just connect onto the hose and extend the hose for my breather. That'll certainly stop it. And then the gearbox for the transmission is this one in here, which is, let's try and get in about it, which is that one there, which goes in there. And it goes up. Very hard to see, but it actually goes up there somewhere. There it goes. So that's the transmission one. It's the only one I can find, which is the breather kit one. I have to see this one here, which you can just see the end of it. That actually comes from inside the floor somewhere. It's actually inside the carb. I'll check. Okay, you learn by doing stuff. First one I went to put in, I sheared the bloody thing off. They're really fine. That's it there. I actually managed to get it out, which is easy enough. But yeah, you can't over tighten them. They're so thin. It's unreal. So that's the first one, it's buggered. So I have to get spares. So you have to be very careful of doing that. And you don't over tighten it. I didn't think I was over tightening it and it just broke. Bugger. Lucky I've got other ones. I think I'm only going to need 3 at the minute. So I'll have the diff, fuel tank and the transmission for the gearbox. Yeah, might have to get spares. Okay, so I've run the rear diff one all the way up to the front. It's all cable tied on. And that's where I'm going to locate the breathers. So right at the back. There is actually a steel bit in there, I think. So small steel plate. So the bracket, I've actually flattened the bracket out because it was like, it came across and went down. So you could fix it that way, but I can't fix it that way. There's nowhere in here to fix it. Not even on the side, there's nothing. And so I think that'll be the best place for it to go. And then this is sitting in here like that. So I'll have a row across the top. I have actually got one over there. You can just see it there. That's my winch, front winch one. It sits up in there, so it's well back out the road. And as high up as we can get it. And that's going to be this one. I'm running everything fast. I'm going to Loctite all the bloody connections in because yeah, they're not the strongest of connections, but yeah, they'll do the job.
Just pulled in.
Get it if I can focus. There we go. That's definitely it there. Right, that's 3 in. And so the front diff is the fuel tank. The rear diff's obviously rear diff. Transfer case is the transfer, and we've got the gearbox one to do, which, yeah, I'll put the picture up of it. It's where you can't get to.